Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Alvarez, but you can call me Jay. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. Hi, don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, I'll be doing an eyeliner tutorial just because some of you have been asking how to do my eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an eyeliner tutorial and bring it up close to my face so y'all can see how exactly I started off and finish it. So before I even zoom y'all in, I'm going to be using, of course, like always, the Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner, one of my all-time faves. So yeah, if you want to know how I do my eyeliner, keep on watching. So first what I like to do is make my line. It goes all the way up. And then from there, starting from right here, I like to bring it on down all the way to the middle. And then from there, I like to start all the way from the inner corner of the eye, bringing that up and filling in those spots. And just retrace over it just so it could have that nice black color. And you guys, this is how exactly I do my eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. Okay, you guys, so that is exactly how I do my eyeliner. Very short video, yes, I know, but this video was all about just doing how I do my eyeliner up close. So you guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to like and leave some comments. And of course, if like I said in all my, like I always say in all my videos, if y'all guys want me to do something y'all would love to know how to do, please leave it below in the comments and I will for sure do a video just for you so you can see how exactly you can do it. And once again, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day. So I'll see you guys on the next video.